good thing about the leather of Louis Vuitton, pag inaamoy mo talaga yung leather niya, grabe, sobrang mabango. So, hi guys! Welcome back! And today's episode, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ba yung size nitong Croisette Louis Vuitton damier. So, this is it. And ang size nito, if I'm not mistaken, is PM size. Yeah. So, sukatin natin. So, itong bag size na to is 9 inches. Kung makikita nyo, yan. 9 inches sa baba. Tapos, itong harapan niya, 6 inches. And then, yung side niya is 3 inches. If you guys can see that. 3 inches. So, guys, pag nagbabag ako, sinabi ko na sa inyo, laging basic lang yung laman ng bag ko. So, ano yung basic na sinasabi ko? Tara, let's open it. Taran! So, nakita nyo may space pa yan. Diba? Ang konti lang ng laman. So, napaka-minimal ko talaga kapag umaalis ako. Ang laman lang ng bag ko usually, yan. So, wallet. Usually itong wallet ko, card case siya kasi marami akong mga cards. So, I think mga 4 to 6 inches na wallet can still fit into the mirror. So, this is my wallet. Your keys. Don't forget your keys, guys. So, I have my keys in here. Put it there. My shades. My shades. Sa Los Angeles, anywhere, lagi kasing matayirik yung araw dito, guys. Kaya kailangan meron tayong shades. O, diba? So, kasha yung shades ko dito, pati yung lagayan niya. And then, may lip gloss kasi lip balm. So, I think you can fit your lipstick still dito sa bag na to. Tapos, marami pang space. And syempre, I'm using my cellphone right now to film. So, kasha pa din yung cellphone dito, guys. Sa bag na to. Tapos, I think, if you can have like pressed powder, kasha pa din dito sa bag na to. Huwag nyo lang stuff ng madami. So, as I told you guys, minimalist ako kapag lumalabas ako. So, ang laman lang lagi ng bag ko is wallet, shades, and then my car keys and phone. Yun lang talaga yung 4 basic na laman ng bag ko. Ikaw, comment ka on the description below kung ano yung lagi mong dinadala once you're going out. It's really nice bag, guys. Grabe. So, let me know what you think about this bag, guys. I like the tassel. Super nice. And you can really smell. The good thing about the leather of Louis Vuitton, pag inaamoy mo talaga yung leather niya, grabe. Sobrang mabango. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you on my next video, guys. Bye-bye!